Hey guys, it's Ron here from ModBargains, and we're a long way away from ModBargains today. So we are in Austria, here at Remus. Yes, we're finally here. I got invited here by Remus, and it's an honor and it's a pleasure to come and show you guys this amazing place. Look at behind me. This facility is just massive. This isn't their only facility. They've got Sabring. So I got invited in here. We're going to show you a sneak peek, hidden tour of the place. You're going to get to see some of the equipment and the R&D that goes on. And the R&D that goes on, we're actually walking on it right now. And I'm actually walking on a test track they built. They spent 700,000 euros on this track. What's so special about this track? It's almost $1 million. It's actually heated. We're in Austria, guys. There's snow here. There's snow on the mountains. You look around this beautiful valley, this Austrian hillside. It's just gorgeous. The weather and the air is intoxicating. It's actually so clean here. I'm so used to California, to LA. Well, this is an R&D specifically for sound. They're measuring sound at all different levels that they need to do at different gears and different speeds. And this is in order for certain regulations that they have here in all of Europe, in certain parts of Asia. We're lucky we don't have that. Where we're at, we have some regulations, but not to the level of here in Europe. So that's where you guys get the race systems over in ModBargains. We also have sport sound. That's going to be the European sound. But this is the most impressive thing. I mean, look at the size of this place. Look at the R&D that just in this test track. It is incredible. This is just, it's a testament to what they're about. This is probably the largest exhaust manufacturer, maybe in the world. At least in Europe, it's one of the biggest that I know of. And not only this building, the Sabring building is just as big, and we're going to be there as well. So excited to have you guys. Let's check it out. So everybody knows that Remus in the last couple of years got into carbon fiber. Well, this is where it came from this wheel manufacturer. Now they're part of Remus. They were acquired, and they use the technology for the lightweight, carbon fiber, and they used it in the exhaust tips that you guys see and some of the other things. So over here we're inside a storage area with lots of different stainless steel pipes. All of these are to make these amazing motorcycle exhausts and different piping that they need. It's pretty incredible just looking at it. I mean, we're talking about tons of square footage. It goes all the way down, and they have it on the shelf ready to go. So they're making quite a bit of things. Achtung! Achtung! Notice something really amazing about this entire factory. It's very organized, very clean. Everything's very set up, labeled, very precise type of machinery. And right now we're at an extent of machinery that's very precise. It's a laser cutter. Check it out. So something that's really cool is not only can it cut the logos, but it can also cut like a nice precision on the inside here. So really incredible what these laser things can do. So we're looking at the original M4 F82 jig right here. This is the SCHNITZER edition. So what you just witnessed on this device right here is a CNC mandrel bend. The amount of pressure is insane to create those bends. It is so strong. So a really impressive machine. have the jig here. They're putting on the hangers for it. This is the afterburner axle system for the race system. So they're pretty impressive. Just seeing the jig and the precision that's required in order to put the hangers to make sure that everything's in place.
Danke vielmals. Servus.
So what we're looking at is a bunch of raw exhausts. And these raw exhausts are about to get shot blasted and then get the final finish. This is actually happening, a real shot blasting. A lot of companies claim that they do. This is actually the real deal. So shot blasting, why is that so important? One, it makes it a lot smoother. That's important, right? Flow. But it also makes it a very nice, consistent system. And it's actually stronger. The only thing about it, there's a drawback. Why a lot of companies won't do it is it actually morphs it a little bit. So you have to re-quality control it. More work put into it. So shot blasting requires more manpower. And that's what's happening in the final step that we're about to look at. So it's come out, it's shot blasted, and then they re-inspect it and make sure it's to specification. Step here, packing.
As you can hear, that was with the valve open. So unfortunately no homologation.